And because this Japanese company Wabara is becoming so fashionable, let's do a box opening of their flowers for the month of April. You see how they do here in Japan, where they specify that this side should be up, and then they also specify that there are flowers inside the box. And also notice the cute cat carrying a baby, because it is Kuroneko, the black cat, the company that delivers goods in Japan, which is most often used. And here it is. When we open, simple white paper, and today's recipe, they mark which flowers are included. So you see that each has a mark next to it and the date. And there is one Charlotte Perriand. We are incredibly lucky. Look at this. And one Kashiko. And then here, Hina Arare, Shizuku, Hiyoli. So it's probably a beige color bouquet. Then here is the name card from the company, Rose Farm KG Wabara. And on the back side, the QR code and store address, website address. Let's go to the most important part, the actual flower bouquet, which is white, everything white, and it's fixed here again to not move around, fixed with a tape, and it has this very Tesla looking Wabara company mark. And you can see they also have a pillow here for their head and silica gel. And here are the flowers. Are you ready for the reveal? Here they are. Very spring-ish colors. These are the most trendy roses in Japan right now. And I will introduce them to you one by one in following videos. Let me tell you the names of all roses so that you can compare them by color and size as they look wrapped here all together. And we are starting from this side. We have two of these smaller white roses, and their name is Shizuku. In the middle here we have Hiyoli. Then this one that is a little bit green is called Yukinoniwa. Here we have the Charlotte Perriand, like a pearl. Next to Charlotte Perriand we have Hina Arare, and on the other side we have Yui. Behind it we have the yellow color. These all three together are Kashiko. This one called Akali. On this side, two roses that have the same design. Issei, both of them are Issei. Next to Issei, this is one rose all together, and this is the Sola. Here again from a distance, this here is Sola. Then we have here Issei, two of them. This yellow, all three are Kashiko. This one is Akali. This is Hina Arare, Yukinoniwa, Charlotte Perriand, Yui, Hiyoli, and these two Shizuku. Let's open the bouquet and show them to you how they look when they are in a flower vase. This here is special for Wabara. It's like such a double-sided tape that can stick to itself, and it's like a sign of authenticity. And here they are just set in such a moisture material. So what do you think about this most fashionable roses of Japan? You see that they are not set in soaking water, also not set in gel, just like this, wrapped with this wet tissue. And they really feel fresh. You can feel by their look that they are fresh. Once again, Kashiko, Shizuku, Hiyoli, Charlotte Perriand, Yukinoniwa, Hina Arare, Yui, Issei, Akali, and Sola. So, which do you like best? Let us know in the comments. And also, I'm making a video for every single one of them so that you can observe it in detail. And then you can again decide which one you like best. So this was Wabara's bouquet for the month of April.